don't know why the light is fluctuating. It's because मैं natural light में video shoot कर रही हूँ. I'm not using any artificial light. So guys, please bear with me. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. You all are fine and safe. So if you guys are new to my channel or seeing this face for the first time, then hello, I am Pooja. Just a small request or a reminder, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and let's make this family huge. Also guys, make sure you follow me on all of my social media as well. It really motivates me and my channel to bring more content for you all. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be really exciting video as title says. Yes guys, so I'm going to share with you all the most random item that I think every girl should own, or you have to check out if you haven't already. And trust me guys, when I say random, it is random, but guys, it comes really handy in day-to-day life. Also guys, whatever product I'll be showing you all in this video is listed down below for you also if you want to check out any. Now guys, without talking further, let's get started. Okay guys, so the first item I have with me, which is so important in a skincare routine, and a lot of people don't follow this step, and that is this one. So this is basically a sunscreen. And guys, no matter what, आप घर के अंदर हो या घर के बाहर जा रहे हो, do not forget to apply a sunscreen. This is such an important step in a skincare routine, and a lot of people don't follow this thing, which is really bad. And guys, applying a sunscreen on daily basis really protect your skin from getting sun damage. It will protect your skin from getting damaged by UVA and UVB rays. Also, it will delay your aging process as well. So always make sure to apply a sunscreen, and you should include this in your skincare routine. And guys, these two are my favorite ones. So this one is from Neutrogena and this one is from Lakme, and इनके छोटे version भी available है, तो you guys can check out that as well. And guys, if you're stepping out, always make sure you apply a sunscreen which have SPF 50. And guys, अगर आप indoor रह रहे हो तो you can apply a sunscreen which have SPF 30. It will work fine. But guys, apply a sunscreen. It is must. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is this one. So this is basically a panty liner. So panty liners छोटे से पैड होते हैं, जो एक्चुअल पैड का साइज होता है उनसे छोटे साइज के panty liners होते हैं, and they look like this. Now guys, I can say it is a big time savior. And guys, these are meant for your non-period days, like आपके period के flow कम है, like you are about to end your period, तब आप इसको use कर सकते हो. Also guys, you can use it in your vaginal discharge. Also, if you are someone who love to travel, अभी तो any which ways traveling is restricted, but still guys, अगर आप travel करते हो and your private area tend to get a lot sweaty, तो आप इसको भी यूज कर सकते हो. I personally feel like कि ये traveling में बहुत काम आता है. So do check this one out. The one I have is from Sophie, and I have been using this since more than 1.5 years, and I'm quite loving it because guys, the quality is really good and it is so thin as well. It doesn't irritate my skin, so this is the reason I really like this one. And guys, this is really affordable. ये 85 rupees का है, and you get 20 units in each packet, so this is great. So do check this one out. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is related to a skincare again, and that is this one. So this is basically a clay mask. Now I am sure आप सभी लोग को मास्किंग करना बहुत पसंद होगा, एंड अगर आपने नहीं किया है प्लीज कर दीजिए. वीकली बेसिस पे मास्किंग करना बहुत जरूरी है, बिकॉज इट रियली टेक आउट ऑल ऑफ द गंक, इम्प्योरिटीज, बहुत सारा एक्सेसिव ऑयल होता है, वो रिमूव करने में एक मास्क हेल्प करता है. एंड द वन आई हैव इज फ्रॉम पॉन्स, एंड गाइज अगेन दिस इज रियली अफोर्डेबल. ये आपको एक बॉक्स में आपको 6 पैक मिलेंगे, लाइक अ सैशे, एंड ईच सैशे आप 2 बार यूज कर सकते हो. नाउ दीज रिटेल फॉर 185 रुपीज, बट गाइज डोंट वरी, ईच सैशे भी अवेलेबल है मेडिकल स्टोर में जो 30 रुपीज का रिटेल करता है, एंड आप इसको इजीली 2 बार यूज कर सकते हो. और एल्स गाइज, इफ यू हैव कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन और अ ड्राई स्किन, तो आप इसको रोज वाटर के साथ डाइल्यूट करके भी यूज कर सकते हो. एंड गाइज, दिस प्रोडक्ट इज सो गुड एंड इट डज वंडर टू माई स्किन. इट रियली हेल्प्स टू टेक अवे ऑल ऑफ द ऑयलीनेस विच माई स्किन हैव, बिकॉज मेरी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा ऑयली है. ऑल्सो इट रियली हेल्प्स टू क्लियर अप माई पोर्स एज वेल, तो यू गाइज कैन डेफिनेटली check this one out. And this is good for beginners and teenagers as well, because masking is something which I enjoy and I really love in my skincare routine, so you guys can definitely give it a try. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me, which is again from a skincare family, and that is this one. So this is basically a nose strip. Now this one is from the Face Shop. Actually इनका पूरा box होता है, which again contains 6 pack of this, but guys वो मेरा खत्म हो गया है, so I threw the box and मेरे पास ये एक ही sachet बचा हुआ है, which I wanted to show you. And this is such an amazing product. I have already ordered this one from Nykaa because I really love using this one. And now guys, using this product is such an easy thing. All you have to do, आपको बस अपना nose wet करना है. You have to stick this, and guys ये जब completely dry हो जाएगा, like it will dry down in 10 to 12 minutes, तो you can just peel it off, and guys boom, आपके सारे black heads and white heads निकल जाएंगे. Trust me, like ये at least 80% black heads and white heads निकाल देता है. And also guys, it is really pain free at the same time, because आप अगर पार्लर विजिट करते हो for a facial or a clean up, they use certain tool जिससे वो एकदम प्रेस करके वो ब्लैक हेड्स डालते हैं एंड दैट इज काइंड ऑफ पेनफुल. सो ओवर दैट आई प्रेफर दिस वन बिकॉज दिस इज सच एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट टू ट्राई आउट. एंड गाइज दिस रिटेल फॉर 300 रुपीज फॉर पर बॉक्स. बट डोंट वरी गाइज, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू गो विद दिस वन तो आप एक हिप हॉप ब्रांड का है विच रिटेल्स फॉर 90 रुपीज जिसमें 3 स्ट्रिप्स होते हैं, आप वो भी ले सकते हो. बट आई प्रेफर दिस वन बिकॉज दिस वर्क्स अमेजिंग ऑन माई स्किन बिकॉज आई हैव अ वाइट हेड इशू. मुझे ब्लैक हेड्स नहीं है बिकॉज माई स्किन इज ऑयली, तो उसके वजह से माई स्किन टेंड टू accumulate lots of white heads, so it work amazing on my white heads and guys it really take them off like anything, so I really enjoy using this one. Okay guys, so the next item I have with me which is related to a body care and that is this one. Now guys, अगर अभी तक आपने ये यूज़ नहीं करना चालू किया है guys, please don't waste your time and start using this. So guys, it's a roll on and it is from the brand called Nivea. So guys, it's been more than 5 or 6 years I can say that I have been using this product and guys मैं constantly and regularly ये product use करती हूँ because this is again such a good product. So guys, what this product basically do, it really helps to control the body odor, आपकी sweat control करने में help करता है. Also guys, it will make you smell good also. अगर आपने sometime perfume लगाना भूल गए हो but अगर आपने ये भी अपने अंडरआर्म्स में just लगा लिया है तो you not gonna smell bad, trust me. So start using this one. Also guys, again इसका भी mini version available है which retails for 89 or 99 rupees and these retail for 199 rupees. So you guys can definitely use the smaller version if you don't wanna go with this one. But guys, start using this one because this is again such an essential and such an important thing in a body care and you should not skip this product. And guys, if you are a teenager or a beginner जो अभी तक श्योर नहीं है कि आपको कौन सा रोल ऑन लेना चाहिए, guys close your eyes and go for this one because this product is such an amazing product. And yes, now okay guys, so the next item I have with me which is related to our nails and honestly guys, I'm a freak for nail care thing, all I can say, because guys I really love to file my nails. मुझे अपने nails के cuticle remove करना weekly basis पे बहुत पसंद है. I really like to take away all the dead skin cells और जो ऊपर की layer होती है. I really love to file, shape and whatever you call it to my nails. So guys, this is the reason I love to use this product. Now guys, now it's been more than 2 years. उसके पहले भी मैं ये वाला यूज़ करती थी but मेरे पास इनका छोटा वाला था which only have 7 or 8 tools, but this one it have a full-fledged of 13 tool in it. So this is how the case look like. The quality is so good, it is so affordable. ये आपको easily 250 तक मिल जाएगा on Amazon and this is from the brand called Fulzy. Very funny no, but still. And this is how, and guys this is, oh sorry, now guys the actual product look like this. Now you can see that it have actually 13 products in it. Now guys, they have given a 3 different types of nail cutter, a scissor, a nail clipper, then they have given a filer, cuticle pusher, tweezer, and guys it also have this blackhead removing tool which आपको ऐसे करके निकालना होता है which the parlor lady use. Now guys, again this is such a versatile product. You can use it in a many ways. आप इसमें scissor है तो आप अपने eyebrow को trim करने के लिए use कर सकते हो. It have tweezer जो आप अपने eyebrow को pluck करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हो और you can use this tweezer to apply eyelashes as well. So this is again such an amazing product that I have ever tried. Guys, whenever I have to do my nail care thing, I only pick this product up because it have everything what I need to do my nail care routine. So you guys can definitely give it a try. So guys, the next thing I have with me which is this one. So this is a wooden comb and it is from the brand called Vega. It retails for 120 rupees and I got it from Nykaa. Okay guys, how do I explain you? Over a time I have realized that this is so gentle on my scalp rather than those plasticky comb, because guys मैंने बहुत टाइम ये चीज़ नोटिस की है कि प्लास्टिक के comb के जो bristles होते हैं they are really pokey and वो आपके scalp को bit hurt करते हैं. But if you have this one, you are all sorted. ये guys इतना ज़्यादा gentle है, you won't even feel like that you are running a comb on your scalp throughout your hair. And इससे guys आपके hair fall भी कम होते हैं. It doesn't break your hair. So this is the thing I really like and this is so gentle on your hair. So guys, start using a wooden comb if you haven't already. Now because मैंने ये बहुत late realize किया that you should not use a plastic comb on your hair, especially if you have a thin hair या फिर आपकी concerned hair है, like आपको hair fall issue है, आपको dandruff issue है, कोई भी आपको problem है, तो guys do not use plastic comb. Instead switch for this kind of handmade comb because this again comes really handy. You guys will definitely see the change in your hair care routine once you start using this product. This is not something कि आपका बहुत hair fall कम कर देगा या आपके बाल टूटना बंद हो जाएंगे या whatsoever. But guys, this product is such an amazing product altogether. This product is so useful whenever it comes to your hair care routine. So guys, always try to use products which are naturally made. And guys, I will highly suggest you to use a wooden comb instead of those plastic comb. You guys will thank me later for this thing. Okay guys, so we came to the end and we are left with two product only. So the one I have with me is again from a hair care thing, and that is this one. Now this is a Pantene oil replacement cream. Guys, this is such a miraculous product altogether, I can say, because guys it is a multi-purpose kind of product. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner. आप even इसको as a serum की तरह भी use कर सकते हो अगर आपने serum नहीं लगाया है. So guys, all you have to do post your hair wash routine, you have to apply this on your damp hair and then just leave it like that. You don't have to wash it. It will make sure to keep your hair smoother, silkier, shinier, frizz free, और आपके बालों में ज़्यादा tangles नहीं होंगे, and you will actually see आपके बाल बहुत ज़्यादा smooth है and silkier है until you wash your hair next time. So this is the reason I really like this product. And guys, I seriously can't remember on which tube I am because I use this product regularly and this has been doing great for my hair. So do check this one out. Also guys, you can use it as a heat protectant. Now guys, मैंने देखा है जो भी heat protectant होते हैं वो 500 के ऊपर ही मिलते हैं, like 600, 700 और more than that. But if you have this one, I don't think so कि आपको heat protectant की ज़रूरत है. All you have to do, आप कोई भी heat अपने बालों पे अप्लाई करने से पहले just इसको लगा लीजिए and then you can just curl your hair, straighten your hair, or you can blow dry your hair and you are all done. And also this is really affordable. The one I have is a full size and that is 180 ml and these retail for 150 rupees. And again guys, इसका भी miniature available है which retails for 84 or 85 rupees, which is under 100 rupees. So you guys can definitely give it a try because this is again such an amazing product and really useful product at the same time. So go give it a try, you're gonna love it like I do. And guys, the last but not the least product I have with me, which is this one. Now these are tinted lip balm and they are from Maybelline. Now guys, no matter how much time I say this out loud that I love lip balm, I am a holder for lip balm. I just love trying out different lip balm and these two are again my favorite. The one I have with me in a cotton candy and the another one I have with me in a Manhattan mauve. And oh my god you guys, both of these smell divine. And guys, especially this one, it have kind of very sweet taste. Lips पे लगाया है and गलती से अगर आपने इसको टेस्ट कर लिया, यू विल फील द स्वीटनेस बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, ये आई थिंक उन लोगों ने शुगर इसमें इन्फ्यूज किया हुआ है, दैट इज द रीजन ये इतना स्वीट लगता है. गाइस, दिस वन इज नॉर्मल बट इट हैव सच एन अमेजिंग टिंट वेरी द टिंट इज रियली पावरफुल. आई गिव यू द स्वॉच, सो आई स्वॉच इट हियर सो यू गाइस कैन सी. अगर आप बहुत फेयर स्किन टोन के हो या फिर आप कोई भी स्किन टोन के हो, दिस गोना लुक अमेजिंग. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको लिपस्टिक लगाना नहीं पसंद है ऑन डेली बेसिस, तो यू गाइस कैन डेफिनेटली पिक दिस प्रोडक्ट ओवर अ लिपस्टिक बिकॉज दिस इज अगेन सच एन अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट. ऑल्सो गाइज, ये अगर निकल भी जाता है तो इसका एक टिंट आपके लिप्स पे रह जाता है विच लुक्स अमेजिंग. एंड गाइज, कमिंग टू दिस वन, इसका भी टिंट बहुत प्यारा है. इट इज लाइक अ पीची काइंड ऑफ टिंट इट हैव एंड आई विल गिव यू द स्वॉच. आई मोर लाइक दिस वन. मैं ये बहुत कम यूज करती हूँ बिकॉज इट रियली लुक वेरी पिंक ऑन माई लिप्स, बट आई रियली लव यूजिंग this one. And you guys look at the shade is so pretty. Again, it has such a good tint. And if you are a teenager and looking for a good lip balm, go give it a try because Maybelline's lip balm are so affordable. They start from 150 rupees. And guys, अगर सेल चल रहा होगा Maybelline पे तो आपको ये और भी cheap में मिल जाएगा. But this is such an amazing lip balm. And guys, it really provide long term hydration for your lips because it is so thick and it is non-sticky and really comfortable on lips. So don't worry. But I give 10 on 10 when it comes to a lip balm because I really love them. Okay guys, so with that I complete my today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, interesting and informative, and if you really did so, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do share with your friends and family, it means a lot to me. And also guys, every action on this channel is noticeable and appreciated. And also guys, do let me know अगर आपको इसका second part भी देखना है. I would love to do that for you all. And yeah, now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye, see ya, take care and see you soon.